Hello kids, how are you? Welcome to Fun for Kids channel. I have already completed letter A to M. Now let us learn the letter N. Today we are learning the letter N. N is for nest. Nest. N is for nose. Nose. N is for noodles. Noodles. N is for notebook. Notebook. N is for needle. Needle. N is for nut. Nut. N is for newspaper. Newspaper. N is for necklace. Necklace. N is for net. Net. N is for napkin. Napkin. N is for nurse. Nurse. N is for nun. Nun. N is for neck. Neck. N is for nail polish. Nail polish. N is for novel. Novel. N is for night. Night. N is for number. Number. N is for nib. Nib. N is for nine. Nine. Thank you kids watching this channel. Like, share, subscribe. See you in our next video. Take care. Bye.